Hello everyone and welcome back to Dash of Spices. Today is another air fryer recipe. I'm going to share with you how I made this Asian Toasted Sesame BBQ bone-in beef ribs. I know that sounds really delicious, right? It was. So if you want to learn how I made this, please keep on watching. First, please click that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel, and let's continue on. And here's our ingredients. What I have here is the beef ribs, bone-in ribs. This is about 3 pounds. I also have here is an all-purpose seasoning. This comes with garlic, herbs, black pepper, and salt. That's garlic powder and garlic with Himalayan salt. Also an avocado oil, but any oil will do. This is my secret ingredients. This is an Asian Toasted Sesame dressing, but you could use your regular barbecue sauce. That's really up to you. We just like doing this. And I'm going to preheat the air fryer. Just click that preheat button if you have a Kasori air fryer like mine. So what I'm doing here, I'm just placing all the meat into a bowl, add an oil, and kind of massage that oil into the meat. Make sure that it's well distributed. Make sure they're well coated with the oil. Now I start seasoning it with the all-purpose seasoning. Follow with the garlic powder and the garlic with Himalayan salt. As you can see, I'm not even measuring. This really up to you. I mean, you could adjust it to your liking later on once the beef is done. And you're just gonna rub this into the meat, massage that spices, make sure it's well distributed. Once that's all set, we're gonna go ahead and start with our prepping our basket. Again, I preheated my air fryer already. So what I did here is just brush an oil. This actually prevents the meat from sticking. Hear that? That means this basket is very hot. That's why I like preheating the basket, because I like hearing that noise as well, that sound of the sizzling. But that's really up to you. So just place everything in the basket. It's not really crowded, still have a place to kind of like the air to flow. We're going to cook this on 370 degrees for 20 minutes, but we're gonna flip this halfway through. So we are halfway through the cooking time. What I did here is just remove the air fryer basket from the unit. I'm going to flip over this meat on the other side. You could do this however you want, as long as you flip the meat on the other side. I mean, you could do this quicker than me, but I was taking my time, so I kind of just fast forward this. Place this back in the air fryer unit and continue cooking on the rest of the cooking time. I just placed that dressing on the bowl, but you could use it directly from the container as well. So after that 20 minutes cooking time, I'm going to brush this Asian Toasted Sesame dressing into the meat, but I was in a rush, so I went ahead and coat that meat basically with the dressing. If you want it kind of look like fancy, you could go ahead and continue on brushing it, but hey, this is your kitchen, this is my kitchen. We'll do our own rules, right? We could do whatever we want in our kitchen. We're just trying to create some good, delicious food that our family will enjoy. So brush it or dip it in the sauce, that's really up to you. Now, once all of the meat are well coated with that dressing, I'm going to place this back into the air fryer. And I'm going to cook this, continue on 370 degrees for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, this is what the ribs look like. Right there. So I'm trying to make this like a one basket meal, so I'm kind of move the meat on the other side. I mean on just the side of the unit, and I place my frozen vegetable that I got from Costco, or any vegetable that you have already. That's fine. And I'm just going to place those ribs back on top of the vegetable. those vegetables will get the sauce from the ribs, so the vegetable will taste good as well. Cook it 370 degrees for 5 minutes, and there you go. Looks delicious, right? And it actually smells good and tastes so good. Let me show you how the meat looks like. So cooking time total is 30 minutes, 370 degrees. And this is what the meat looks like, perfectly done. Now if you like rare, then maybe just stop it on the 25 minutes total cooking time. But I like my ribs this way. I hope you like this video. I hope you give it a try. Please subscribe to our channel. Click that like button. Share this video. Thank you everyone for watching. Until next time, ciao.